Here is an example of how to use positive affirmations. Suppose you struggle with self-doubt and want to cultivate a stronger sense of self-confidence. You could create a set of positive affirmations tailored to this objective. Your affirmations might include statements such as, "I am confident in my abilities and talents. I believe in myself and my potential. I am deserving of success and happiness. Every day, I grow stronger and more self-assured. I am capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way." To make the most of your positive affirmations, follow these guidelines. Make them personal. Customize your affirmations to address your specific needs, desires, and goals. This personalization ensures that your affirmations resonate deeply with you.
If you like this content, like and subscribe for more.